Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Today is Wednesday, June the 2nd, 2010. The Dow Jones Industrial Average had a big move today. Let's have a look at the chart and see if it's legit or is it an opportunity to short. This is a chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, 6-month chart. Each one of these candlesticks is one day, and the Dow Jones moved up 225 points today. That's saying something, being that uh, you've got unemployment data coming out on Friday, which is actually expected to be bad, not good, based on the previous data we've had. So I don't really see any reason to be bullish on that report. And even if it was good, it would only be considered benign at best. It would be either no news or worse news, basically, is what you're going to get from the unemployment data. But the main problem I'm having with this rally here today, and the thing that tells me not to buy into it, is this buy pressure. That is the lowest we've seen in about 22 days. I don't know. It's quite a while, and low volume rallies are not something you want to trust. You just want to consider the thing mute. Just doesn't count at all. Okay, I'm going to show you some more problems. We're going to have a look at the Nasdaq right quick. This is our 6-month chart. Each one of these candlesticks is one day, and this is the Nasdaq. And you'll notice you had a big move today, 58 points. But again, look at the volume. There it is. All right, the lowest we've seen in a long, long, long time. Okay, none of it is to be trusted. And you'll notice this gap down here. And let me get the right tools out. That gap has still not been filled right here. And that tells you that it's focus. What you're basically doing is this 200-week moving average, 200-day moving average is getting some support right here. People are, bouncing around on that support line right there, trying to hold that line and looking for a bounce. But the news in the U.S. isn't the problem. It's not fundamentals of the U.S., even though they're bad in the U.S. Even the unemployment data, if it came in negative, it's probably not going to be enough to actually send it considerably lower. And that's not what we're focused on right now. What we're focused on is Europe. And if you look at the FTSE chart, you will see that they are in very bearish territory. No good signs there. They'll probably get a bounce, or they could get a bounce, I should say, based on the U.S. move today. But again, it's not sustainable in Europe, as their austerity measures will crimp their recovery efforts, and that, of course, is going to bring down the markets, plain and simple. It's just the same way it happened in 1930s, is the same way it's going to happen this time. So I would actually short the bounces we have here as opposed to trying to go long. There's inverted hammer here, inverted hammer here, inverted hammer here, and no hammer. A hammer looks like this, and it tells you there's a support line there, and that's a good time to go long as there is buy pressure behind it. And in this case, there was. We recommended a buy here. In this case, there's no hammer formation, no strong buying opportunity. Nobody is actually buying it, I should say, so we don't see it as a confirmation buy. Smart money. In fact, it's just a dumb money move right there. So ignore it and short it. One other major telltale sign of a fake move higher is this right here. Let me show it to you. You've got this low point right here and this low point right here. That makes a downtrend. You've got this low point here and this low point here, signaling an uptrend. You trust this. This is a lie. Okay? Bearish divergence. This will break down and end up looking just like this one down here. So you'll have that move. Okay? You will break below 2100. Just stay short and short, short, short. Let's look at the disclaimer. Our disclaimer: the information provided herein you can read. I'd like to thank everybody for referring their friends, visiting us at PerfectStockAlert.com. It's a 100% free website. All we ask in return is you refer somebody. Tell somebody, anybody, to go check out PerfectStockAlert.com, and by all means, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or I will hit you with a stick. All right, God bless. I'll see you all tomorrow.